Yikes. Bruh.
Just, it's fine. I'm doing my makeup today. Period. Nia 114 Techno. I don't know. It's primer. It's primer. There. It's kind of like.
You gotta prime the face.
Yeah, it's kind of gross a little bit. I'm not even gonna front. But like, it's fine. It's like. It reminds me of like mashed potatoes.
What the fuck?
Like that's what it feels like. It feels like you're rubbing mashed potatoes all over your face, which no one wants. But it smells really good. It smells like peppermint. So okay, I don't wear foundation. So I mean I do, but I don't wear a lot. Like it's just like under my eyes. So I don't put foundation all over my face, but I don't want my face to look super shiny and then like
Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in Warm Natural.
Go for it. Do it. I'll do it.
I'm just gonna put it under my eyes like this. Ew. You can probably see every single thing that's on my face. It's fine. I'm fucking crusty. It's okay. Okay. I'm just gonna put this wherever I'm like hella red at. So now I'm taking this dirty ass Real Technique sponge that I have to clean because I just used it yesterday. And I'm just gonna, it's from the goddamn primer that looked like and felt like mashed potatoes. It's fine.
So is it bad?
No, it's just because it's for wrinkles. It fills wrinkles and I don't have wrinkles. So it's filling nothing, which is why it's doing this.
Just because it's a primer?
Yeah, and I would hope that it would hold my makeup, but apparently not. It looks like shit. It's fine. I'm not a girl. I don't know how to do this stuff. Like, I'm so sorry. Use my finger because that's so much better than an actual makeup sponge, you know? Nails have been, you know what? So I usually get shorter acrylics in this, but recently I got longer ones because I was like, why not? It's cute. It'll work. And they've been ruining my life. So if you don't have long nails naturally and you want to get acrylics, make sure you get them short because
we got the Morphe motherfucker.
the Morphe setting spray.
Morphe shit.
Stop. Okay, so now because I still look crusty, I'm gonna look crusty today regardless, just because my skin is not having the best time. Just a little dehydrated, but it's okay. It'll work. I'm gonna use Air Spun. What's this? It's the right side.
Okay.
Air Spun and Honey Beige because it still gives flashback even though it's colored, which okay, work on your formula, number one. I still bronze, but it's okay. To be. And even though I don't put foundation all over my face, I still bake because it's fine.
It never even rains here. When it does, like sideways, upside down and shit.
Okay.
It's from the bottom of the neck. Comes from the ground up.
It really does. That's the sad part. I'm gonna take some more powder and put on my forehead. Just in the middle. I'm gonna try to dust off as much excess as possible. So that way it's not like, not white, but like bright, you know? So now I'm going to take this old ass Anastasia Beverly Hills cream contour kit because it's crusty. Let's just not even zoom into that. Thanks. I'm gonna be using the third darkest color, and I'm going to contour with a little flat brush. I don't like to draw lines because I feel like it's too harsh, so I just like draw little dots. Yes. Contour. Okay, so then I'm gonna do a little bit on my nose.
Y'all don't want to rain, like it's.
I know. You can see it hitting through my curtains.
Yeah, it's fucking crazy. It's coming out freaking house sideways.
Yeah, I blew my fucking fence down, so that's kind of cool. And then like the tip right here. Just like a little bit down. And then I take the sponge again and blend it going like towards my hairline. Just like up. It looks kind of orange, but like it's okay because it's just like the base. I also powder contour over it. It's the same Real Techniques brush. I'm just gonna make sure there's no powder on it.
Fucking house is gonna blow down.
It really is. So then I'm gonna blend this down. After that, it's my least favorite time, my eyebrows. So.
But you like it.
I like it because it frames your face, but I don't like it because it takes the longest and it's the most difficult to me, personally. I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Chocolate. That's what it looks like. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush as well. It's the duo brush, but I'm not sure if it's the 18 or, I don't know if it's 14 or 16, but I think it's the 18 because it's just a little bit more stiff. So I'm gonna use that. Then I'm also going to use this Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil. I don't even use the pencil side. I just use the damn spoolie. It's fab. And brush up my eyebrows. I have to do them. Don't judge me at all. And then and then like kind of swoop them. If that makes sense. I don't know. I get like a good amount, but not a lot. Just to where like this part is covered. I'm going to line like the underneath part first. Like that. And then draw the top line. And then like kind of fill it in, but also make sure that the lines are like where they should be. I don't really like fill in the front part. I just line it and then take whatever product that was and like sweep it up so that it has like a good little fade, you know?
Catch these hands fade.
like,
Yeah, we'll catch the fade.
yeah.
Because it's dead.
No. Alright, so these are the ones that we're probably gonna use.
Yeah.
The bottom,
6.
we're gonna use this one mainly, and then the rest of them or no? You're gonna
Some.
try to use all of them?
I'm gonna try to use as many as I possibly can.
So all 6 of them.
So probably all 6 of them. Because I know skin, for the most part, my eyelids get oily. So I'm going to be taking this palette. I'm gonna be using this color, which is called Canvas. I'm going to just kind of like put it.
Done with the
I'm done with my eyebrows.
eyebrows.
Yeah. And I finished concealing them. I blended some of the concealer down to my eyelids. I don't really like to conceal my eyelids because I feel like it makes it crease more. So I'm pretty sure that's incorrect, but because I have oily combinations, and then I'm gonna take Flashback, which is this white color right here, and I'm gonna put that a little bit. I'm gonna take Pinkity Drinkity, this baby pink color, over my eyelid, just so I can give it like a pinker base than just the white. With all eyeshadows, I know that there was a lot of backlash because people were saying that it stains your eyelids. All purple and pink eyeshadow stain, that's just how it is. I take the color Love That, which is this like light purple color right here. And then I'm going to take this, and this came with this palette actually. It's just like a little brush that comes in here. I'm going to take like the flat end side of this, like that, and I'm going to put it in like crease, and I'm going to blend it out. I'm going to blend it. Oh my freaking gosh, yo. What the heck is going on? I'm gonna take the color Skip, fucking pink color right here, and all over right here. Actually, what's crazy is that purple is like a color that people see as being crazy, you know, like, oh my god, like she did purple eyeshadow. But because I have brown eyes, I always do purple eyeshadow because
it makes your eyes look almost like
bigger and like
lighter, bright,
like,
light.
My eyes look a lighter brown, so
yeah.
I'm gonna take this Morphe E22 brush. I'm gonna take the color Single. This one. It's like a darker version of this. It's a little bit more cool toned. I'm actually gonna put some of this from this palette. This is the soft one palette. I'm gonna take this color, which is called Rose Pink. I'm going to
Light it on.
So then I'm going to take also this color called Fairy. Oh god. In here.
Oh my god.
This Fairy. And I'm gonna put it on my. You know, I've never touched this color. This is the only color I have never used. Because it's fucking ugly.
Dusty Rose.
Dusty Rose. Dusty. Who wants to put something on their face that says Dusty? You know what you look like? Your eyeshadow looks like a Dusty Rose color. I'm also gonna add the color Glistening. I'm gonna be taking this color and these colors. I'm gonna contour with this color. Did you do that on purpose?
A little bit.
This, and then I'm gonna be using that as a blush. Crucial step of my makeup routine because I have a big forehead. So another little tiny brush, this one. And I'm going to do my nose. Now I'm gonna add blush and take this fat fucking Urban Studio brush. I'm going to go ham because I love blush. I'm going to highlight. This is Becca Champagne Pop. Just like a little bit on my nose right there. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the Kat Von D Lolita, which I'm running out. It's my favorite color and I'm running out. I'm almost done. He's hungry, so
His stomach's growling.
mad. The Kylie gloss. Just a little bit, and then I'm gonna also use the Too Faced lip injection in glossy. I don't know what color this is. I don't even... Okay. I'm done. I'm done with this.
Alright. Forgot to do an outro. So thanks for watching her first makeup tutorial video or daily routine.
Yeah, mostly except
This is
purple
your video,
eyeshadow.
Megan.
I don't usually do purple eyeshadow, but besides purple eyeshadow, this is like...
It's regular.
Yeah, I just don't do eyeshadow at all. But it's fine.
Anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and head to the mall. And
Yeah.
stay tuned for the next video. If you like the video, keep that same energy for the rest of the videos. And like it. Thank you.